You might not believe it, but now you can do high-quality image editing with just a single sentence. No Photoshop, no cost, completely free, and even down to pixel-level precision. Remember how troublesome photo editing used to be? Either you had to pay a designer or spend half an hour fiddling with Photoshop yourself. And traditional AI editing? It either smudged the nose or wiped out half the face. But today, Google's Gemini 2.0 Flash feature takes editing into a whole new era of point and it changes. Hey everyone, I'm Zybernaut, your digital adventurer exploring the world of AI. Today I'm showing you this incredible free editing tool from Google AI Studio. Let's see just how precise it can get. First, open up Google AI Studio. I've dropped the link down in the video description. Once you're on the page, go to the top left and switch the model to Gemini 2.0 Flash, Image Generation, Experimental. Alright, now let's actually test it out and see how it performs. We'll start with this image. Let's see if Gemini can turn black clothes red. Click the upload button below to insert the image. Then type in, turn black clothes red and hit send. Check it out, it finished the task instantly. Here's the original image and here's the edited version. The facial features are untouched, and just the clothes have been precisely changed to red. You can click right here to directly download the edited image. Let's add another request to the image, like putting sunglasses on the person. Type put sunglasses and send it. Super fast, bam, sunglasses are on and the result looks really natural. Next, let's try a different image. This time, can it change a skirt into jeans? Upload the image, type in swap skirt for jeans, and hit send. The result's awesome. The skirt was accurately swapped for jeans. And it's not just for people. Gemini can even edit non-human elements. For example, we upload a photo of a horse. Then type transform the horse into a flaming ghost war horse and send. Whoa, that result is stunning. The horse instantly transforms into a burning ghost war horse. Gemini can also cleanly remove unwanted objects from images, like getting rid of this helmet. Upload the picture, type remove the helmet, and hit send. The edit is super clean. The helmet is gone without a trace. What's even crazier is that it can actually change a person's pose. Upload an image, type let her stand up, miss, and send it off. The character stands up right away. The face might change slightly, but the overall result is still super impressive. Now let's test how it handles consecutive edits. First, let's turn the sword in her hand into an axe. Type replace sword with axe. Works great. Next, change the background to a battlefield. Type replace the background with the battlefield background. The character and axe remain untouched, but the background becomes a war zone. Amazing! Let's go a step further and add a cape. Type add a cape to the character. The cape appears perfectly. Now let's switch it to a tank top. Type make the character wear a tank top. The result looks good, though the cape disappears. Kind of a small trade-off, but still very powerful. Finally, let's test its text editing ability. Upload an image with text, then type change the text in the picture to you don't know the power of coffee and send. Boom, the text is changed accurately. To wrap things up, Google Gemini's AI editing features are insanely fast and precise. It can accurately modify clothes, colors, poses, and objects, not just for people, but for anything in the image. Its ability to do continuous edits and text edits is equally impressive. And the best part, it's completely free. You've absolutely got to try it out yourself. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell. I'm Zybernaut. See you in the next one.